Here again we see this endoscopic procedure of colonoscopy. Sometimes imagine the physician is passing the colonoscope via a colostomy. The patient has already got a colostomy and through this the physician is passing the colonoscope. In that case, you will have to report a code colonoscopy via established ostomy, meaning colostomy. So colonoscopy via colostomy, we have separate codes. Please don't confuse with colonoscopy via stomy or colonoscopy via the anus, because we have different sections of codes. The patient develops complications of colostomy. So here the patient might develop a hernia, para-colostomy hernia, or there might be formation of adhesions in it. So the patient comes for a repair or a revision of this colostomy. We have separate code sets. In that you need to know what is the extent of colostomy repair. Is it simple or complex, or is a physician creating a new colostomy pouch? Based on that, the codes differ. So the commonest complication would be a para-colostomy hernia, and we have a separate code for that.